ऐसे एक्सलेंसी, मैं जानता हूं कि आज का दिन आपके लिए बहुत ही हेक्टिक रहा है, बहुत ही हेक्टिक रहा है, और अब टू सम एक्सटेंट आप टायर्ड भी होंगी, ऐसा मैं मानता हूं, क्योंकि अभी तुरंत आपको मुंबई भी जाना है। और मुझे स्वयं भी अभी लग रहा है कि जितनी गर्मजोशी के साथ, जिस वार्मथ के साथ आपका वेलकम होना चाहिए था, शेड्यूल डिस्टर्ब हुई। बात प्रारंभ करने के पहले मैं आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इस बार की अपनी विजिट को विजिट मत मानिएगा। अगली बार के लिए मैं पुनः आपको आमंत्रित करता हूं, वह 2 महीने बाद, 4 महीने बाद, 6 महीने बाद, 8 महीने बाद, ताकि मैं आपको वेलकम कर सकूं ठीक तरीके से।
Excellency, welcome. I understand this has been a very hectic day for you. I understand.
Just on cette to me.
अच्छा, he interpreted. Okay, thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup, Monsieur le...
Excellency,
I'm sorry.
Excellency, a very warm welcome to India. First of all, I extend my congratulations on your appointment as a Minister of the Armed Forces and the Veteran Affairs of France. Excellency, your tenure comes at a critical moment for European and global security. India deeply appreciates France's steadfast commitment to strategic autonomy and a robust European defense posture. The recent India-EU security and defense partnership marks a significant step, deepening our collective engagement. Excellency, we look forward to leverage this framework both bilaterally and in the wider European context to strengthen regional stability, enhance our joint capabilities, and reinforce the enduring Indo-French strategic alignment. Defense has been traditionally an important pillar of our bilateral relationship, and we have developed and strengthened synergies in strategic and security-related matters which are exceptional and futuristic. With global security challenges becoming increasingly complex, I look forward to exchanging perspectives and discussing ways to strengthen our partnership in meaningful and practical ways. Excellency, I am happy to announce that today we are entering into a new endeavor of co-development and production of Hammer missiles by signing a joint venture between BEL and the Safran. This Make in India project will further boost our symbiotic relationship. Excellency, today we reiterate our deep friendship and strategic partnership by renewing the agreement on defense cooperation for another 10 years, which is a reflection of our continued engagement in the defense, production, and research and development. Excellency, I now invite you for opening remarks. Thank you very much.
Monsieur le ministre, je voudrais vous remercier pour vos mots très chaleureux d'accueil pour ma nomination. Il y a maintenant 4 mois que j'ai l'honneur de succéder à celui qui est devenu notre Premier ministre, Sébastien Lecornu. Vous remercier également de votre invitation à revenir, mais le premier de mes remerciements, c'est de m'avoir permis de venir à Bangalore aujourd'hui, alors même que malheureusement, nous avions un sujet de moteur ce matin sur le tarmac de Mumbai.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Minister. Thank you so much. I really thank you for your warm remarks for my nomination. It's been 4 months that I have succeeded Sébastien Lecornu, who's now who's now the Prime Minister. I would also like to thank you for welcoming me to Bangalore, although with the technical difficulties on the tarmac at Mumbai, there were delays. And thank you so much for the personal invitation for me to come again to this beautiful city.
ताज़ा खबरों के लिए लाइक, फॉलो और यूट्यूब पर सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं। साथ ही हर अपडेट के लिए विजिट करें swedeshlive.com।